Do you know that there are 8 different types of logo design, and choosing the right one for your business can make all the difference? As a brand designer, people always ask me what is the best kind of logo for my business. I've seen so many businesses struggle to find the perfect type of logo for their brand. It really can be overwhelming. But fear not, because in this video I'm going to reveal the strengths and weaknesses of each type of logo design. I'm also going to share with you how to choose the right one for your brand and business. So get ready to learn more about logo design. Let's dive in. So let's begin by taking a closer look at the 8 different types of logos. First up, we have the so-called Logotype or Wordmark. This type of logo is focusing on typography, using creative lettering and font choices. Its goal is to create a bold and distinctive look that represents the essence of your brand. Wordmark logos are ideal for businesses with a name that is easy to remember and can become instantly recognizable. Think about Coca-Cola and Google. So the second type of logo is the so-called lettermark or monogram. This type of logo features the initials of your brand beautifully crafted to create a unique, iconic design that is simple but memorable. Lettermark logos are perfect for businesses with long or complex names. This is because they provide a concise and effective visual representation. Think about NASA, IBM, or HP. The next type of logo is the Pictorial logo or logo symbol. This type of logo uses a striking, recognizable icon or symbol that represents your brand. Think about the iconic Apple logo or the memorable Twitter bird. Pictorial logos are fantastic for businesses that want to convey a specific message or concept through their logo. They create a memorable and impactful image that will stay with the target audience long after they see it. Next, we have the abstract mark. This type of logo uses sleek, modern geometric shapes, patterns, or abstract forms. Its main goal is to create a contemporary look that communicates creativity and innovation. Abstract logos are perfect for businesses that want to express their cutting-edge image. An example for an abstract mark are the Adidas logo and the Pepsi logo. Next, let's talk about the Mascot Logo. This type of logo features a character or a figure that embodies the personality and the values of your brand. It creates a friendly and approachable image that appeals to the broad audience. Mascot logos are perfect for businesses that want to create a relatable and humanized brand identity. Think about the Michelin Man or the KFC logo. The next type of logo design is the emblem. This type of logo usually features an icon or a symbol integrated with the name of the brand. It creates a distinctive professional look that communicates the sense of tradition and heritage. Emblem logos are perfect for brands that want to evoke a timeless classic feel. A good example are the Starbucks logo and the Harley-Davidson logo. So next we have the combination mark. This type of logo combines 2 or more elements such as a wordmark and a pictorial logo. It is a versatile and adaptable logo that can be used in a variety of contexts. Combination logos are perfect for businesses that want to create a memorable and recognizable image that reflects the essence of their brand. A good example for a combination mark are the Burger King logo and the Dropbox logo. And finally, we have the dynamic mark. This type of logo is designed to change and evolve over time and is very versatile. It uses creative design elements and innovative techniques in order to keep the brand modern, fresh, and relevant. Dynamic logos are perfect for brands that want to convey a sense of adaptability, creativity, and innovation. A great example for a dynamic mark is the Google Doodle logo and the MTV logo. You might notice that they have several versions and they always change. This is the power of the dynamic logo. It's very versatile and it can be adapted to a certain campaign. So how do you choose the right type of logo for your business? Now that we know the different types of logos, let's talk about how to choose the perfect one for your brand. The very first step is to understand your brand personality and values. Are you a playful brand or a serious brand? Do you value simplicity or complexity? These are all things to consider when choosing the design style for your logo. In order to make things easier for you, I've created a free worksheet that you can download and you will find it in the description box below. This worksheet will help you easily determine your brand personality and your brand values. Once you have a clear understanding of those, you can narrow down your design style choices. Next, think about your target audience. Who are you trying to reach and what type of logo will appeal to them? It is also very important to consider the practicality of your logo. Will it work well on different sizes and formats like on a business card and a website? Consider your desired visual elements such as colors, typography, and imagery. Think about what will complement your logo and make it truly stand out. And lastly, look at your competitors and industry trends for inspiration, but don't just copy their logos. Instead, think about what sets your brand apart and what message you want to communicate to your target audience. Your logo should be unique and memorable, leaving a lasting impression on your customers. And there you have it, those are the different types of logos and how to choose the right one for your business. Remember, your logo is the visual representation of your brand, so it's important to choose one that reflects your business and speaks to your target customers. At the end of the day, the logo is just one piece of the overall branding strategy, but it can be a powerful tool for building brand recognition and loyalty. So take your time to consider the options and create a logo that you and your customers will love. Thanks for watching today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll be sure to check them out. I hope you found this video on logo design helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out any future videos. And if you're looking for more free design resources, be sure to check my website at albena.design and go to the resources page. I have a ton of goodies there for you. If you're interested in taking your brand to the next level and working with me for logo design and visual identity, you can find my inquiry form on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.